Hello, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Oluwatunseyi. I'm delighted to have you back on the air fryer recipe series, and today's episode is a simple grilled chicken recipe. Let's see how that was made. Come along with me. Here are the chicken laps, already washed and clean. This is our mixing bowl. We have the other ingredients: thyme, curry, mixed spice. I have a video of this mixed spice. The link is in the description. Kindly check it out. Homemade paprika powder. The link also in the description. Salt, water, milk, onion, ginger, garlic paste. I made this in a previous video, a video on pre-cooked meal prep ideas. The link is up here. This is what it looks like. We'll start by making the marinade. To an empty mixing bowl, add the milk, half cup. Pour the water, half cup. Salt to taste. Then the onion, ginger, garlic paste. I need half cup of this onion, ginger, garlic paste. So let's see if it's going to be up to that. Okay, this is fine. One teaspoon of thyme. I blended it. That is why it's looking this smooth. 1 teaspoon of curry. 1 teaspoon of mixed spice. You can check that video to know what this mixed spice constitutes. 1 teaspoon of paprika powder. Stir everything together to combine. Get your airtight container or Ziploc bag and dip the chicken one piece at a time into the marinade. You can use your tongue to submerge the chicken pieces one at a time. You can also use your hand. If you don't want to use your bare hands, you can put on a glove. But if not, you can wash your hands with baking soda or toothpaste to remove any unwanted residual smell. We have some marinade left, so pour the remaining over everything to get the chicken slightly submerged in the marinade. Keep in the fridge for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, bring them out. Get your air fryer and put the chicken carefully into the air fryer. As you line each piece in the air fryer, try not to make them overlap, as you will want the heat to be evenly distributed. To air fry, Make use of the chicken button, and that gives 185 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. Get an airtight container and pour the leftover marinade into it. Cover it and keep in the freezer for some other use. You can also use it to make your stew. Once it is halfway done, pause it by simply opening the air fryer basket. I mean, you just pull it out gently. Then, using your tongue, you flip the chicken so that the other side can face up for the next 20 minutes. After which, your chicken will be ready. You will notice that I did not add any oil during the whole process. This is because the chicken will grill in its own oil. And the oil that will be strained or collected under the air fryer basket is useful. I sometimes use it to make my stew. To my returning subscribers, I say thank you. You've been amazing. Thank you for always coming back to view my videos. Thank you and God bless you. If you are new on this channel, thank you for stopping by. You're highly welcome. Kindly subscribe, click the notification bell and click all so that you'll be among the first to be notified each time I post a video. Thank you. Let me show you what I like about this grilled chicken. Look at its crunchiness. I mean crispy on the outside, juicy and soft inside. If you find value in any part of this video, give it a thumbs up. Share this video, and if you are yet to subscribe, do so. And please click the notification bell to get notified each time I post a video. Thanks for watching today's air fryer recipe. I will see you in a future video. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye.